Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about the shirts you wear for winter. Now there are a whole bunch of different type shirts you can get out there to wear for winter. There are some shirts that are called shirt jackets, where they're they have they have the tail on them, but if you tuck them in, it's too bulky to button your pants and put a belt on. They got the quilted lining in them, and they're fleece and everything else on them. That's one layer. You can get a Carhartt shirt like this that is 100% cotton. You can get Pendleton wool shirts. Oh, those are so good. Sorry, I love Pendleton wool shirts because they also wick away moisture when you start getting warm, but they don't get you chilled from when the moisture gets into the fabric. So think about what type of shirt you need for your weather in your area. Are you getting a lot of rain? Are you getting snow? Are you just getting freezing temperatures? Or are you like some of the guys down in Florida where you can get by with a thin cotton shirt or even a short sleeve shirt? All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and add a new skill. Also, plant a garden indoors. All right, I'll see you around, and take care so you don't end up like this.